Hello and Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome you to the day 5 of the 30 days crash course. Today we are going to learn about everyday activities and routine activities. How should we describe our daily activities and how should we describe our routine activities? In routine activities we have weekly routine, we have weekend routine, we have monthly routine, and we have yearly routine. So in this lesson, we are going to target how to describe our daily routine or daily activities. What are the mistakes that usually students commit while they are describing their routine activities? What is the right structure to describe our daily activities and our routine activities? So let's move on and understand that how should we describe our daily activities. Sometimes our activities change. Kala kala zamung activities change ki. For example, in the morning, I wake up, I fresh myself, and after that, I go to the mosque and I perform prayer. This is my daily activity. Sometimes damana patishi noze pakur kyokam. Every day I cannot go to the mosque. Shpe late wi yo insan masala wi agat askhar wi. The aghi wajna aga nashi kole che sahar pa time ra patsi no aga munstena leg the sena waqt shi. Aga bia so ki repeat ki ya revise ki pakur kyo ki. Yeah, I attend guest in the morning. Us da rozana khu guest nawi har awraz mung sar guest nawi. Misal khabar is ma kor ta guest ragali us ma margari mat weche. What do you do in the morning? Zortem che I attend my guest in the morning because they are at my home. Now that guest rozana nawi da per daily routine activity ya per weekly routine ke narazi. This is only a part of daily activity. The activity da jita ke rozana. Week के देशी योरज़ भी 2 रोज़ भी या month के देशी 2 रोज़ भी खुदा repeat की ना मतलब हर month नवीदा चे हर month तासरा पकोर के Monday Tuesday बांधे guest हुई या Wednesday Thursday बांधे तासरा हर month या हर week के guest हुई ना दा दसवीं चे कल कल की. So when you are describing daily activities, you need to use simple present tense. Or simple present tense today, what is simple present tense and what is the proper structure for it? You should go to the description. The link is available there. In Pashto, in English, in Urdu, all the specific tenses are described. The specific present tense described. They clearly mentioned routine or daily activities. The para sang proper structure use koi. So you should go to the description and learn it from there. The second part of the same lecture is about how to describe our routine activities. Now we have yearly routine. Kal ki yozal dwazal yo kal kigi. Akhtarun razi. No da routine chde har kal kigi. Christmas razi. Har kal yo Christmas kigi. Either different activities are happening on year basis. No da tamung yearly routine wayu. Monthly routine savi anything that happens on the basis of month. Each month something is taking place. You are describing it with monthly routine. For example, I go to the cricket ground once a month, twice a month, thrice a month, 4 times a month. Got it or not? No dasiba taga describe kawai. Then we are having weekly routine. In weekly routine we have 2 types of routine. One is known as weekdays routine and the second one is known as weekend routine. Har haga search mong pa weekdays ki ko. We don't do it on weekend. Aga mong pa weekend bandana ko. Aga mong pa sa pa weekdays ki ko. For example, I wake up, I get up. What is the difference between wake up and get up? Wake up means when you are going to stop sleeping. Kalach the khobara pasege. Get up mean when you rise from the bed. Kalachta the bed narapasi data get up way. So they are 2 different things, 2 different phrases. A bit confusing. I hope the confusion is clear now. I brush my teeth. I take shower. I get dressed. I do this and that. That all activities dishe rozana kigi. So on weekdays we have different routine. I mean we go to school or we go to office. We go to college or university. We go to our language classes. We go to our tuition classes, we go to our madrasa classes or any religious studies you are doing. It is your weekdays routine. Weekend routine is different. Weekend routine is a routine that you do it only on weekends. On weekends we don't go to school. We don't go to college. We don't go to office. What we do, we are doing different activities. I mean, we spend time with family, we enjoy our time with friends, we make and prepare parties, or we are celebrating a specific day, I mean specific event on that day. Sa party vi asavi mung pagaras bandi focus ko, especially weekend. Walichi weekend free. In some places weekend is on Friday. In some places weekend is on Sunday. But in some places weekend is on Saturday and Sunday. Now, what are the mistakes that usually students are committing while they are describing the routine activity? Now, the common mistake that usually people are committing, the first one is they are trying to learn. Students jo basic to the basic level come student anwi agay sakwi che agay you routine the internet na from internet or any other specific school college jahan par unko itno cha alta urta routine teach shawevi agay sakwi agay aga routine rawakhli aw aga rataki krami ki और बियागा बार बार हर जगह के वही अगस्ता routine न दे. You need to create your routine. So after this specific lecture, you will be able to create your routine. Now, for example, what is my morning routine? My morning routine is I wake up, I get up, I fresh myself, I perform prayer, I brush my teeth, I get dressed, I take breakfast, I go to my office. You go to school, you go to university, you go to college, whatever you do, you have to mention that. After that, what is my afternoon routine? I take lunch, I perform my prayer, I do my home task, then I go to my tuition class or my language class. In the evening, I go to my gym or any other thing. You may go to cricket match, you may go to volleyball, you may go to football, any other specific activity you might have. And at night, then I go home, I revise my all activities that I have done in my school, college, university, or in my office. If I have some office work, I complete that. I take my dinner, I perform my prayer. In the end, I go to my bed and I sleep. That's how you need to describe your routine. What is your routine? You need to know that. What are some routine activities that usually people have? In the comment box, I am going to give you the specific list of the routine that usually people have. You have to just read that, understand it, and in the comment, you have to describe your daily routine or your week or weekend routine. Thank you, stay blessed and stay happy. Continue this class with me, you will learn more.